Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix an Unarc.dll error, especially when you are trying to install the game. So as you can see, mostly related to installation of PC games as well as program of large size, and large games or program have compressed data which is unpacked in your hard drive during installation. So this eats up your PC RAM as well as drive. If your PC RAM or hard doesn't have sufficient memory to handle process, your PC may throw this error. So in order to fix it, try to adjust your virtual memory by go to this view advanced system setting here. You can try to search advanced settings. Here, system properties, there's a computer name, hardware, and advanced. And then you can try to click on settings, advanced, and here you can try to a paging file or on hard disk that we not use as if it were RAM. So you can change it. Here you can try to adjust based on your C or D drive. You can uncheck automatically manage paging file size for all drive. Here you can try to upsize. You can try to custom the size here. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the like button below. See you in the next video.